Hello everybody and welcome back to Caldera Creations. My name is Roxana. Today we're going to make this simple, easy to make spring wreath. We are working with some beautiful spring florals. We also got this beautiful yellow one. We got some beautiful ferns. We got this ribbon, 45 inches of this checkered ribbon. We are working with some wire. This is 26 gauge. We got a wire cutter. So with that said, let's get started. Okay, I am just going to make a simple bow. It's going to be like bow, 6 inches, 6-inch tail. Wait, like about 8-inch tail. Then we're just going to make some small little 8-inch. So they're going to be 4-inch loops. Just take that one there, twist it. Turn the other one this way and grab it with your finger. Twist it. Bring it back again, another 4-inch loop. Bring the other one back to your finger. And there, we got it. Now we're going to get our piece of some of our wiring. Grab it together. Lift it up and twist the ribbon. Not the wire, just the ribbon. And we got it. Look at that. Okay, we're going to pin this on right here first. I'm going to get this ribbon on. Tight. Twist it. Cut off your excess. There we go. And look at that. Got a ribbon. We're going to work around our ribbon. Okay. First things, I got these thicker ones. So put one there. We're going to get one here. This is going to be like the base. I like the base. We're going to work around them. So I'm going to get some blue. Kind of lift up your ribbon. Stick that in there. Look at that. I'm going to go on this side. Like do the same. And we're just going to skip color by color. I'm going to do a yellow. Then we're going to do another blue. Lift these up. Look at that. Get another beautiful yellow one. Lift up, insert. Look at that. I love the colors. It's another blue. Oh, wait. Get this blue up here because we're going to take this and we're going to mix it in the middle of the blues. See? Beautiful. And I think I got too many on that side. Okay. I got carried away. I'm going to get this one over here. There it is, everybody. Look at that. That looks good like that. Huh. Whoa, look at that, everybody. Beautiful. See, that cuts a lot more than here, huh? Let me hang on. Let me get some more. Some more beauties up in here. Look at that. Let's puff up our beautiful bow. And we're going to get our beautiful ferns and just stick one up here. Stick it right in there. Look at that. You could use your glue gun or extra wiring for your project to keep it secure. Let's get another one over here. And I think we got it, everybody. Look at that. Woo! How'd this turn out? What we made today, everybody. I think it came out cute. Let me see. Pick some of these. A little closer. There. Okay, everybody, look what we made today. Easy little spring wreath, some spring florals and some ferns, and this cute, easy to make bow. Once again, everybody, it was a pleasure being here with you guys. I hope you got any ideas or inspiration. Consider pressing that subscribe button and you will be notified of my upcoming videos. You also be helping my channel grow. With that, thank you for watching my channel. And have a great, wonderful day. And don't forget to get that beautiful smile on. Thanks for watching.